I feel like it's time. It's time for us to all come together.
The majority of K-pop fans are people of color. They tend to be quite open-minded and pretty progressive in their politics. And K-pop fan social media networks were used to spread the message pretty quickly. This is like a big prank. But then there's also a statement that this rally does not represent them, that it stands for a set of values that go against what they care about. And this is their way of making that known. In both instances of spamming hashtags or signing up for these tickets and then not showing up, the coming together of a kind of humor, prankster, troll sensibility, and a pretty serious political stance.
The systematic racism seemed like nothing has changed, but what's different 2020 is that it seemed like the whole world is coming together, right? As an artist who do black music, who's inspired and who benefit from this culture, I thought that it was only right for me to talk about it. I don't want K-pop to be marked as something else, something dangerous. And I wanted to let the world know that we express solidarity, and I was hoping that my other colleagues, artist friends, join the movement.
Diversity really is a real core factor in making people very socially aware and having a lot of compassion and empathy for other people. Because we have to rely on each other for the information that goes across different cultures, I think that naturally breeds a lot of empathy and compassion and awareness of what's happening outside of our own personal bubbles. It's nice to see people stop pigeonholing fans of Korean artists or even any pop artists as just that one thing, and understand that these are people who are active in their communities and in politics and in charity and helping other people.
At the same time, within the fandom, there's still a lot of resistance to Black fans wanting to discuss and wanting to hold the artists more accountable for instances of cultural appropriation or profiting off Black culture without correctly kind of crediting it. So that's one area that I think is pretty complex.